Hi homeowners, it's Eric Halliday with Utah Mortgage Pros. Hey, I want to tell you real quickly about Ashley. She's a client of ours that came in a couple months ago, and her company had been hit by this COVID economy over the last year, and that had kind of put some pressure on her. Her debt payments had increased a little bit. She was concerned about that. She was able to do a cash out refinance. She was able to meet with one of our cash out specialists, and they were able to look at her whole financial picture. They were able to find some ways for her with their custom plan to reduce her monthly payments and get her some immediate debt payment relief. And that was a big help for her. She was able to close on that loan. She was able to find some immediate lowering of her debt payments. We would recommend calling in and just meeting with one of our cash out specialists. You can go to cashOutIdeas.com. You can see that at the bottom. You can also call us at 801-888-7468. And let's see if you can be another one of our success stories. Good to chat with you. Hope you have a great day. We'll hopefully talk to you soon. Thanks.